evening, consensus reached. Stakeholders in the transport sector agree on the way forward. New laws coming to protect customers and the wider financial system. And a lawyer argues retrial in the Vibes cartel case is a constitutional breach.
And good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in business news. We'll have that, Archie. And it says World Bank maintains its economic growth outlook for Jamaica.
And Spencer Darlington is here with a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports. Spencer?
Thank you very much, Archie. There's some controversy brewing over who will represent Jamaica in judo at the upcoming Olympic Games. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
And how was the weather today? That's the question.
Hot! Very hot.
Yeah, it was terrible. It was terrible.
Romain will tell us more about that. Romain?
Thanks, Andrew. No, the thing is that we do have strong winds governing most of the island, strong winds across the west, the southeast. We are expecting these strong winds to continue into the weekend, and so it's keeping most of the moisture out of the Jamaica area.
Thanks, Romain. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And our question for this evening is, what changes would you like to see made to the current demerit system under the Road Traffic Act?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can post on X at tvjnews Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.